watching YouTube, browsing through the internet, scrolling through websites. These are simple everyday things that we do on our daily lives. But what if I tell you that you can make a lot of money just by doing small, simple tasks every day on your computer without even having to put in a lot of effort? It's not an MLM. There's no selling required. It's not affiliate marketing. And most of all, you don't have to invest a single dollar just so you could start earning some cash. This method requires $0 and zero effort. No high technical skill required. No fancy computers or fast Wi-Fi. Just a little click and few moments of your time is all that's needed to make some money. You can do this method again and again, and you can make as much money as you want. No matter where you are in the world, you can do this method. So watch along and we'll teach you how you can do this from the comfort of your own home. It's one of the greatest ways to earn money online this 2022. You can even do this on any device, on your phone, tablet, computer, or laptop. This is an application for this method that is downloadable on the App Store or in Google Play, so keep watching to find out more. But before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe to see more tips like this on our channel. Ring the notification bell and share this with all your friends so that you and everyone else will know of this great tip to earn money. If you enjoyed watching this video, consider leaving a comment down below with your thoughts and opinions. We'd love to hear from you. So without further ado, let's get started. The website I will be showing you today is called ZaryClammy.com. It's a website that pays you money by doing different kinds of tasks, depending on what you choose. They'll give you a list of options for your method of earning, whether you want to browse websites, videos, or ads, whether you want to leave engagement on social media pages, such as liking and commenting, whether you want to write comments and reviews for products or digital assets, or lastly, fill out surveys. So, the website even shows you the step-by-step process on how you can make money through them. Step 1. Select a method of earning, like the one I've showed you before. There are different kinds of tasks you can choose from, and they will give you a list of choices of available tasks you can do every day. Best part is, you can just keep doing tasks every day, no matter how many times you want, so that way you get to earn more money. Step 2. Start earning. Once you've chosen a task, they will give you instructions on what to do. All you have to do is follow them closely and make sure that you don't miss a single step. But don't worry, all of these tasks are super easy that even a preschooler can do them. Step 3. Profit. Once the website verifies your work, you can start earning money right away. There is absolutely no hassle in payment, and you can cash in your income already. This is an absolutely legitimate that you can use all for free. Sounds good? Let's start on how you can sign up for the website then. If you look at the top right corner of the website, you'll see the registration button. Just go ahead and click that and you'll be redirected to a page where you have to create an account to start earning. First, you have two options. You can register with an email and password, or you can go for the more convenient method, which is registering with another service, either using a pre-existing Google account or Microsoft account. After filling in the sign-up process, you're going to be heading over your Google email account and verify your account so that you can start earning money right away. Once you've registered, you'll be able to see your dashboard where you'll see your earning analytics. Of course, at first, you'll see that you have $0 currently. That's because you're just starting out. But don't worry, if you start right away with completing tasks, you're going to be making a lot of money in no time. Now, how do we start? Go ahead and look at the left-hand panel. Underneath Dashboard, you'll see Earn. Go ahead and click that and you'll be able to see the different methods of earning to choose from. This is something that I've already showed you earlier. Now go ahead and choose any of these methods and click on the green button that says Earn. So for example, let's click on the Browse Websites and Ads. If you click that, you'll be redirected to a website where you'll be able to go through a lot of different ads. It's very easy. Just start clicking and scrolling. Once you interact with the ads, there will be a given timer on your task. You have to make sure to move around the websites so that you can make sure that you get your money by proving that you are actually interacting with the advertisements. Got to make sure they don't think you're a robot. Now, back here, why don't we check out the social media interaction? It's something we do on a daily basis, right? If you click on the social media engagement options, you can see here YouTube and Instagram. You can watch YouTube videos, subscribe to channels, or like videos. Same with Instagram. You can watch Instagram videos, like posts, or follow content creators. It's very easy. It doesn't require any hard effort. It's so simple, you don't even need to have a lot of experience. Anyone can do this. That's just a sneak peek of ZarekClammy.com. There's so much more things you can do just for a simple way to make cash. Remember, they have applications in both App Store and Google Play, so you can even do this task even when you're on the go or simply just scrolling through your phone. That's all for today. I hope you learned something from this video and that I'm able to help you find a new way to make some little income. As always, if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Maybe share this with your friends and be able to help out others too.